Welcome to our channel JaffLcdFarhan.
Today we are replacing keypad mobile LCD screen. Battery ka Badshah.
Let's start video. Disassembling mobile phone. Remove battery. Already all screws open. Removing damaged LCD. Cleaning motherboard. Take new LCD. Kindly subscribe. Soldering new LCD. Soldering new LCD. Inserting battery to check new LCD. Power on mobile phone. New LCD screen OK. Remove screen protector.
Very nice color.
Cleaning dust front glass. Assembling mobile phone. Thanks for your time. Thanks for watching.
Don't forget to subscribe.